Yung hapon.
And of course, because we are
we
the home of the stars.
Yun na
Nako mga ka-vibes. Ito na ang pinaka-inaabangan ng ating mga ka-vibes na mahilig kumanta, mag-videoke, mag-karaoke since bata pa sila. Ay nako.
Idol, Lodi Cakes.
Idol, Lodi Cakes, and sobrang ganda. One of the Philippines showbiz royalty.
Wow.
Singer-songwriter award-winning. Let's
Grabe
all
naman
please
yun.
welcome Miss Zia Quizon.
Hi! Hello!
Yun,
Hello! Maraming salamat po for being on the show. Nice meeting you. Ako si DJ Chloe. And oh my gosh,
Nakila naman po si DJ. Gabi
Siyempre.
na-starstruck ako. Na-starstruck ako.
Ayun nga, ang saya-saya kasi sinasabi ko kanina kay Ate Zia no, na sobrang in-enjoy ko talaga ang kanta na ako na lang nung bata pa.
Thank you.
Naku, very legendary yung kantang Ako Na Lang.
Very legendary.
Ang ganda ng Lodi Cakes. Hindi mo
Lodi.
lang nalagyan. Oo.
Lodi
Cakes.
Medyo
Cakes.
young stan na kasi.
Iba na ang
Oo.
iraw. Lumolodi Cakes
Lodi
na.
Cakes na.
Pero nung time na that was 2011. Ilang years ago ba yun? Parang mga...
Naku, pag-usapang wag na.
Pag-usapang
Move on na.
wag
Oo,
na.
tanong mo.
But that was a few years
Decades.
ago.
Oo, 10. Oh, no,
Mga ganun.
14.
Oo, 14.
14. Oo,
14 years ago. That was the era before pandemic pa.
Oo.
How old were you nung ni-write mo yung unang song mo?
Me? No, si Sir Junji yung nagsulat nung kantang yun. So, siya din yung nagsulat nung...
Reto na
Oo,
naman.
yung Reto na naman na bagong single ko. But, ako personally, parang matagal na din, parang for fun lang din.
Yeah.
For lang, parang diary ko siya, ganyan, for expression.
More of
Then, oo.
love, the romance side of things. Ano?
Oo.
Ay, romance, tama. Roman.
Oo.
Naka-base din ba yun sa personal experience mo? Or kumbaga may hugot din po ba siya
Oh,
galing sa'yo?
usually. So, parang very, hindi siya masyadong, baka hindi siya masyadong relatable or kasi sobrang personal siya or mas diary ko siya or something. Oo.
But it was super relatable.
To the point na yun, ang dami mga kabataan na talagang interesado dun sa story ng
Ako
kanta.
10 o'clock. 10 years old ako noon, pero
Oo.
sobrang na-relate ako doon with the crushes and all.
Oo.
Pero
Si
no,
Sir Junji is a very good songwriter. Sir
that
Junji Marcelo.
time, masasabi niyo bang it was one of the things that made you start in the industry? Because you are, of course, we can say that you are a showbiz royalty.
Nax.
Your father is king
Siyempre,
of comedy.
king of comedy.
And your mother, my gosh, Miss Chacha Padilla. Say less. Ayun nga po. So, what was it like nung bata pa po kayo? When it started, when you were starting to learn kung ano nga ba ang showbiz? Bakit nga, big deal pala ang aking pamilya? Ganun.
Oo, I guess parang for me din kasi palaging nandoon yung na I grew up sa environment na ganun. So parang for me, yun yung normal, yun yung parang yun yung mundo ko din, parang ever since. So, it's yung kasanayan ko din. It's my understanding na yung kinalakihan ko din siya. So, parang to me, it's parang natural lang din to try, ganyan, to see kung eto din yung hilig ko or may galing ako at all, even, so, ayun.
Meron bang kaba factor na pumasok, especially when you started releasing your first single?
Kumbaga pressure.
Yeah, of
diba?
course. Kahit sino naman din, pero mas feeling mo din hindi lang ikaw yung mapapahiya, if ever, yung family mo din.
Oo.
Kung
Karga-karga mo eh.
Nahiya, diba? Oo.
What made you siguro continue? Siguro nung nagpumatok talaga yung unang song mo?
I guess just yung enthusiasm din nung tao na nagustuhan nila. If anything, just happy to make people happy.
Yes.
Oo.
But you also started, it was nice na nag-release ka rin ng first album mo and then sumunod-sunod na yun. Sumunod-sunod
Nabubulol
na
ka sa
yun.
kapag starstruck mo kay Miss Zia.
Yes,
oo.
kasi hindi talaga ako Tagalogger by heart. Diba?
Ako din, Englishera.
Englishera pala.
Yes,
Oo.
Englishera. We're Englishera
Oo.
halata. So, you started din before, nagsising ka for yung mga movies with Kim Chu and Sian
Yes,
Lim.
oo.
And also with sila Bella Padilla.
Yes.
After that, meron kang brief pause in siguro making music.
Oo.
What was the ano yung pinagkaabalahan mo nung time
During
na
that
yun?
time.
More of like just my personal life. Parang na-busy lang din ako with nag-renovate ng lumang bahay. Na very hands-on ako doon. And then, I was doing like jazz band for like a long time. I was doing jazz. So, everyone felt like, nawala ka, hindi nagja-jazz lang ako, walang pumapansin. Walang, you know what I mean? Parang it's not a very, medyo niche siya, and medyo...
Very niche, pero
Oo.
ang ganda rin ng community ng jazz. Sa
Yes.
totoo lang.
Oo, totoo. Tsaka
Very-
relaxing.
Very
Ah.
tight-knit,
Oo.
you know. So, very
Yes.
close lang. Kami-kami lang din yung parang vibe na parang,
Did you ever try to siguro play a jazz instrument? Di ba may mga jazz
Oo.
instruments yung
Usually
mga...
ba yun?
Oh,
Yun
yung
eh.
vocals, I
Oo.
guess, yun yung parang instrument ko na I was trying to parang hone lang din yung, kasi palagi akong sinasabihin na parang ang jazzy mo na ever since. So parang I wanted to, para medyo malalim lang din yung manuaan ko yung jazz nung konti talaga na ma-experience ko, ma-expose ako sa totoong jazz, ganyan.
Yes.
Oo.
Pero yun ba talaga yung first intention nyo na more of the jazz ka na genre? Or parang nagkataon lang na, pang jazz pala talaga ako, no?
Oo, na may nag-recommend din ng mga voice coach sa akin na parang, try mo mag-jazz, ganyan. So, nung medyo nag-lay-low ako from showbiz, yung mga ka-bandmates ko nung college was also, talagang nagja-jazz kami, mga standards, ganyan. So, it was also easier for me na mag-schedule habang busy yung life ko with mga construction ng bahay and things like that, mga adulting na
Yes.
learning,
Adulting.
mga ganon, oo. So, ayun, it was more of parang nagja-jazz band at the time, quietly. Oo.
Ayan na, naririnig na natin ang unti-unting jazz.
Oo nga eh.
Smooth
Oo.
operator!
Ayun na, sinasample na tayo.
Yes! Naisipan mo bang i-incorporate yun with your future? Siguro, well, na-release na kasi siya di ba? Ang newest single mo, na-release na
Reto
siya,
na naman.
entitled Reto na naman. That was last year.
Yes.
Meron ka bang parang plans to put more jazz sa iyong music?
I feel like it's parang malaking influence na din siya on yung sa voice ko, sa pagkakanta ko.
Yes,
So,
yes.
open naman din ako to parang experiment
Yeah.
lang din
Ng
with
iba naman.
iba-ibang songwriter. Yung exciting din is to mag-interpret ng mga, lalo na ngayon, daming mahuhusay na manunulat ng kanta, yung mga composer, lalo na ngayon mas may naghahanap na yung mga audience nung mas original na
Yeah.
composition, mas open na yung tao for hindi masyadong formulaic na kanta. So
Yes.
it's nice to parang open my mind din to mga iba-ibang genre or ibang ka-collab. So hopefully,
Siguro when it comes to yung story ng music na nire-release nyo, noon dahil meron kang parang sinabi mga diary, naging ano na ba siya? Naging it came from a true story na talagang nilabas mo yung detalye sa mga songs.
Kumbaga, doon mo nilabas yung hugot mo.
yeah,
Yes.
minsan.
Oo.
Pero kaya hindi ko din siya masyadong, hindi ako gigil na i-release, ganyan.
Yeah.
Kasi di ba parang respeto lang din. Parang outlet lang siya to process yung mga feelings ko, ganyan. Lalo yung mga dinidibdib natin, ganyan.
True, true.
Nilalabas ko lang doon. So, if ever, parang okay na din ako na hindi siya i-release kasi I'm very happy din naman to interpret other people's work, to celebrate din yung mga songwriters na iba, to baka kasi they just haven't found the right person to sing yung material nila, or not all the songs you sing din kasi is for you, baka hindi bagay sa'yo, nasulat mo lang siya, to find the right voice or sense of humor na magkanta, mag-deliver ng kanta. So, oo.
Pero since na si Jungie Marcelo din kasi yung gumawa nung Reto na
Oo.
naman, nag-songwrite na naman, meron ka bang ambag dito sa part na to na parang, ay, parang pwede ba i-add ko?
Grabe yung
Hindi,
ambag!
parang, hindi, kumbaga like sa storya niya, sa
Oo, na parang
personal
merong-
experience niya na, uy, Jungie
Mas
kasi,
kukurot pa to.
mas parang may
Yes.
naramdaman kasi ako, baka
Oo.
pwedeng ipasok natin dyan.
Not so much, pero parang yung sa ako na lang, yung nasulat niya is i-google mo sa internet Tapos sabi ko, Sir Junji, pwedeng i-search mo na lang, ganun.
I-Google.
Oo, kasi baka mayari tayo sa, di ba, branded, branded siya.
Trademark,
oo.
kumbaga.
Paano
Baka
naman si Bing?
Oo, baka magtunog siyang parang beeper, di ba? I-beep mo,
Oo.
baka mag-date
Yeah.
tayo, maybe you'll get dated further down the line. Pero yun lang, he's a very good songwriter din. Sobrang niya, parang mahilig siya sa mga wordplay na nakalimutan nga niya na yung reto na naman may part na parang retro yung naging letra.
Yes.
So yung na-send yung email sa akin, parang napalitan na from the lyrics sa demo. Sabi ko, nakalagay ba dito retro? Yun ba yung Ay, oo, yun yung nasulat ko. Parang nakalimutan na din niya. Oo.
Okay.
Kasi parang matagal na din niyang sinend yung demo sa akin na parang buti nilang binaon din niya kasi may naghingi na din nung ng demo sa kanya and buti tinago niya for me kasi parang ilang years, parang 2018 pa niya sinend sa akin.
Matagal na pala yung retro
Oo,
naman.
so buti natabi niya. Oo.
Ano yung reason? Pero na-message ka na rin ba niya before, during that time pa na may bagong kanta? Or talagang tinago niya talaga?
I was parang looking into it din. Tapos yung na-busy lang din ako with life and then nangyari yung pandemic and everything. So, ayun. So, medyo natagalan din to get back to this. And I got married na din recently. So, parang...
Congratulations!
Thank you!
Speaking of that, may nabalitaan ako. Galing daw sa Serbia ang husband daw ni Miss Zia Quizon. Tapos ang sabi-sabi daw, pumunta ka pa raw mismo sa Serbia.
Yeah, oo. I mean,
pwede
I
bang
would
kwentuhan yung
go
mga
back and
ka-vibes natin?
forth din, minsan. Kaya it's hard din nahirapan din ako na mag-showbiz kasi di ba minsan parang last minute yung mga schedules and kailangan tutukan mo, hindi. So wala ako dito. So ayun din, we were long distance and then after nung nag-pandemic, we got married na din. So, ayun, we're still trying to parang settle down and
So, during a pandemic was the long distance.
yeah.
But now, nasa Serbia siya? Or here?
Well, I mean, parang we go back and forth lang din for the most of the, kasi naayos pa namin kung paano ba
How to work
kasi
this
I can't
out.
move there kasi
Always.
parang yung career ko naman is nandito. So, parang di ko din alam paano ako magsisinger doon. Hindi naman ako nagsiserbian, di ba? Parang, ayun, still trying to parang figure out kung paano yung setup.
Pero ginawa mo rin ba siya ng song ng Ako Na Lang na in version of para sa English para at least mag-gets niya and
I've written a song for him. Pero yun din, parang it feels so personal na parang hindi ako gigil to release it or parang ko lang, yun, ambag ko lang sa kanya.
Ang sayo naman nun, parang while you're on a date or personal time, di ba? Kinakanta mo lang yun sa kanya. That's so sweet.
In English. Ano rin ba siya? Sa music industry din ba siya? Or like,
hindi
kumakanta
naman.
rin?
Just a very, he took up law sa school doon sa kanila. Doon siya nagtapos sa law.
How are you able to balance siguro kapag since 'di ba he is in Serbia and then when you get to communicate with him from here especially with your career now na syempre may radio tour today ganon the regular day-to-day activities.
Oo, okay naman. I mean, at least mas parang mas close kami in a very yung communication namin very solid.
open.
Oo, very solid kasi yun lang meron di ba?
Yes.
So parang text ganyan. Oo.
Speaking of songwriting, ano yung mas madali sa'yo, Miss Zia, kapag nagsusulat ng kanta? Pag in love ka or kapag broken-hearted ka?
I guess it depende din, di ba? Oo. I guess both parang okay. Kasi pwede din na sobrang in love ka pero broken-hearted ka. Di ba? Pwede din both, di ba? Sobrahan, oo. Pero probably more of like, yung broken-hearted. Mas may lalabas di ba?
Ay, nako.
Kung happy ka, oo. Kontento ka lang, di ba?
Pag broken-hearted ka, kung ano-ano pwede mong sabihin dun
That's true. Nako, speaking of broken-hearted, meron ka na bang song na nasulat when you were broken-hearted and nobody knew? Parang hindi siya, yung sinusulat mo is the opposite of what you feel.
Para lang di malata na sa kanya yun.
Oo. Not so much.
sana.
Oo. Parang yung talagang pinagdadaanan ko lang yung nasusulat ko So, pero madaming mga very talented na songwriters na kaya nila mag-imagine ng story. Parang mas type nila na mag-invento nung parang kwento or something. So, Oo.
And now, 'di ba?
Speaking of,
Oo, nag-release na November 2025 yung Reto na naman.
Oo.
Reto
Contract
na.
signing dyan po sa may Dolphy Theater.
Yes.
Ano kamusta naman yung feeling na nag-perform ka? Contract signing. Ang daming mga opening na nangyari eh. Contract signing, na release yung Reto na naman tapos sa Dolphy Theater pa. Kamusta naman yung feeling?
Ayun, very sentimental yung parang medyo bittersweet din kasi there's this sense na nandun pa rin siya in like some way yung presence niya or yung parang may pagka carrying the torch na
Yeah.
vibe or something like that. So ayun, it's, meant a lot din to me. And my mom who was also there.
yeah.
Oo.
Tawag dito, as someone na your father is really a legend, meron ka bang naiisip na gustong i-offer like as part of his legacy? Na aside of you want to unleash siguro. Ba? Very English. Baka
Lalim
hindi-
nun.
Sorry mga ka-vibes, unleash is ipakita.
Ipakita.
Yes.
Oo. I guess more of, I guess yung personal side niya. I think a lot of people know him as, parang as a, medyo parang character or as like a,
Slapstick
oo,
kasi.
person on TV or a personality. Pero yung mabuti
Totoong
siyang
puso.
tao, oo, yung parang heart niya as a person, I think is more of, I wish people knew that. I wish I want to carry on yung legacy niya na maging mabuting tao, to be very welcoming or pleasant or kind,
Yeah.
ganun, o compassionate. Oo.
Pero may kita ka pa rin ba namin ngayon on cam sa future showbiz?
Oo, hopefully. I mean, yeah.
Open
oo,
naman.
oo. Just have to, just trying to relearn yung landscape na ngayon, lalo na mas digital yung landscape
Yes.
kaysa sa before. Meron na dati,
Diba?
pero more than ever, di ba, very, mga social media,
And
ibang
mas
level na.
mabilis
oo.
na kasi ngayon eh.
Yes.
Parang minsan may cancel culture na,
Nako,
na ang
oo,
bilis-bilis.
yes.
Do you ever find yourself na parang nag-ano ka na, nag-filter ka na ng lahat ng sinasabi mo dahil syempre, ang daming perfect sa mundo.
Ay!
Oo, sinabi mo.
Kumbaga
Nako.
parang may gusto kang sabihin pero iniiwasan mo para lang hindi
Yes.
ma-cancel.
Oo. I guess kasi parang nasa training ko na din ever since na ganun. Kasi kinalakihan ko na din yung showbiz. So,
That's-
may level na parang aware ako na, uy, baka may makarinig sa'yo.
Yeah,
baka
yeah, yeah.
mabintangan ka. So, parang medyo may filter na talaga ako ever since. Oo. So, at least handy. It comes in handy na now. Oo. Lalo
Nako,
na.
speaking of, siguro mga deep talks, sa
Yes.
oras na 3:41, mga ka-vibes, isabak po natin si Zia Quizon sa ating segment na Asal,
Asal.
ang sa amin lang. Alright.
Ang mga katanungang hindi madalas na pag-uusapan dito ang lapagan sa Asal. Ang sa amin lang. Asal.
Ayan na nga, syempre, ito ang ating segment na Asal, ang sa amin lang. Kasi syempre, ang ganda ng usapan na natin kanina about siguro how we are, how authentic we can be sa mundo ng digital na ang daming pangyayari, ang daming bago. Meron po tayong mga cards dito.
Oh.
Ayan. So, ang babasahin muna is the brown
Brown one.
parts.
Okay.
Sige, we will let you choose two cards. Sige po.
Ayan, hugot.
Ayan, hugot time tayo here.
Mga hugots-hugots.
Ito one pa lang. Ato na ba?
okay.
Ato na ba? Isa lang first. Okay.
Okay.
Ito. Anong klaseng pag-uusap ang nagbibigay ng comfort sa'yo? Itong munang brown.
Yes ba, yung brown
Oo.
muna.
I guess kahit anong usapan, o yung freestyle lang, yung mas open na
Yeah.
ganyan. Kahit ano, 'di ba? Para yun yung nakaka-comfort, yung may kausap kang feeling mo kahit anong pwede mang topic, maging
Yes.
topic or anything. Oo.
Anong sabi po ng likod ng
Ay,
baraha?
sorry. Minsan, ang kailangan mo lang talaga ay yung makikinig. Yung tipong wala ng judgment. Makikinig lang. Ayun. Oo.
Maybe
sorry.
yung mga best friends.
Yes.
ganun.
Oo.
Meron bang isang tao sa buhay mo o kaya naman collective people na you draw strength from, especially sa mga times na medyo nahihirapan ka, wala kang guidance with siguro sa career or personal life?
Oo, I mean, yeah, I think you really need that sa life mo. I guess my husband, firstly, yun siya yung parang first kong sinusumbungan or pinupuntahan or anything. And then, my family then also. Lalo na same kami ng work, a lot of us, lahat nasa profession yung showbiz. So parang we can relate to each other. And of course, friends, yun yung mga friends ko from childhood pa kasi kami. So parang yung usapan namin is ang lalim nung history namin with each other. So, ayun.
Hindi na masyado siyang parang hindi na masyadong kailangan pang pakapalin pa.
Oo, ang dami na naming pinagdaanan with each other, childhood, teen years. So, now we're all married and may anak na yung iba, ganyan. So, we're all growing up together, ganyan.
Kailan yung huling time mo na lumapit ka naman sa dad mo? Na parang nanghihingi ka na talaga ng guidance.
Sometimes, I still do, I think. Every now and then, parang, pero paloob na lang, di ba? Kasi parang wala na dyan siya. So, I sometimes parang just inside, parang, when I feel like wanting more strength or something, I ask him to guide me. And a lot of my siblings, also, they still do that. Kasi yung ibang kapatid ko, minsan actor sila. So, parang sometimes, also, it's like a work thing. They ask for guidance na, paano kung ito yung role na to, ganyan. For me, it's more of sa personal din. Or sa showbiz din, minsan I don't know what to do, what's the right thing to do, ganyan. I still think of like, what maybe my dad would say or mga advice niya if ever.
Of course, ang hirap naman kasi syempre, your dad is really he knows a lot of things, especially sa comedy and how things would work sa industry. Ang hirap din na minsan siguro walang nandyan physically na kumakausap.
Oo.
Pero at least spiritually, nandiyan pa rin,
Yes.
present pa rin siya para kay
yes.
Jesus.
Oo.
Yes.
Ayan. Next card, please.
Next card.
Yan, hugot. Yung humuhugot
Hugot
na
tayo ngayong afternoon.
Malay mo makagawa ng kanta si Miss Zia dahil dyan.
Oo. May oras ba na mas pinili mong manahimik kaysa mag-open up?
Hoy!
Bakit?
Parang yung kanina.
Oh, yes. Yes, relate.
Relate.
Oo, mantra. It's okay if you're not ready to talk yet. There's no rush in opening up.
Ay, binasa na
Nabasa
Ay,
pala.
sorry.
Ay,
Nabasa
hindi
pala.
ba pala?
Hindi
Hindi
pa pala. Sorry. Ako magsasagot.
pero ano muna
Yes.
sagot nyo sa akin?
Okay.
Yes.
Oo, well, yes. Oo.
Ah.
May oras ba na pinili mong manahimik kaysa mag-open up? Bakit? Yes, I guess when I was quiet from showbiz, oo, just because I felt like yung personal life ko was not in a good place. Yung nag-success ako and yun yung natutukan ko in my life. Parang yung personal life ko, yung home life ko, I had to figure a lot of that out. So, binigyan ko din siya ng time. Yung dinedicate ko din yung sarili ko doon kasi parang especially after my dad passed away, I had to figure out living on my own and being responsible for those mga
Adulting.
things. Oo,
Adulting,
yun lang,
yeah,
very
yeah.
boring. Well, yun ba, parang sobrang ano lang, very matter of time lang din. I had to step up and show up for myself, parang ganun. Kasi walang dadating, alam mo yun, walang ako yung kailangang ayusin ito. I have to fix this stuff and organize yung mga ganyan. So, ayun, I just took time to focus on my life imbis na mag-open up. Parang I just parang opened myself up, ganyan. Ewan.
Pero ang galing lang kasi syempre during that time, 2011, 2013, nandun ka sa peak eh. Kasi lalo na sa kanta mong Ako Na Lang. Pero ano yun, talagang by choice mo talaga na kahit nandun ka sa peak, talagang pinili mong stop mo na, layo mo na
Yeah,
ako.
oo. Kasi you have to, parang di din naman kasi na hindi ako grateful. Wala naman akong issue sa showbiz in like a general sense. It's really just yung life ko needed fixing. And ako lang mag-aayos nun. Parang ako lang yung kayang tumutok doon, ayusin yun. And ang hirap din kasi sobrang tempting when you do showbiz na mag-hire ka na lang ng iba na yan yung parang tututukan yun or mag-hire ka ng ginto or hire ka ng people, my people, talk to your people. Ako, I wanted to really learn on my own to learn for myself na hindi gawing responsibilidad ng iba na ayusin yung property or yung taxes or things like that. Just trying to slowly learn. And I was really young when I had to, I was only 20 when my dad passed away. So I had to learn a lot about yung legal stuff of like owning a property and the taxes for that,
Yes,
and being
RPT.
responsible about
Yun
how
dapat,
to
nagbabayad ng
construction,
tax.
permits, oo, yung mga ganyan, just very boring
Yeah.
stuff na di
So
ba?
talagang alam mo lang yung priorities.
Oo,
kumbaga.
hindi siya scandalous. I
Yeah.
wish, 'di ba, na may parang scandalous, madali yung may kwento na ganun. Is
Oo,
actually parang very simple
Yeah.
story lang na parang nabusy lang ako with life and I had to deal with that
Yeah.
imbis na gawing problema na lang nung iba or ipaano ng utusan nung iba, ganyan.
Totoo naman, life happens talaga.
Oo, yun lang.
So
Oo.
parang mas pinili mo na siyang ikaw na lang mag-aasikaso ng lahat instead of may person assigned to do
Yeah.
that.
Oo. I mean, I'm also slowly learning to trust other people. Lalo na in an industry like this, parang nasanay na din ako to do for myself or kung
I
if
mean,
you want it done right, to
Yeah.
do it yourself.
Valid
Ganyan.
naman. Kasi syempre, ang daming hindi mo alam because nowadays, everything is digital. Kilala ka ng kung
Yeah.
sinong hindi mo kilala.
Oo.
And at the same time, hindi mo alam yung intention. Di ba?
Yes,
Because you
oo.
just met that person o kaya naman very superficial things in this online world.
Pero at least, di ba, kahit nawala si Mizia sa showbiz, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin siya sa jazz band niya.
Yeah, oo. It's a
So,
big
nandun pa rin.
part.
Hindi ka
Oo.
parang nagtago ng talent mo.
Oo. And
or
music
what.
is a big part
Yeah.
din of my life.
Yeah.
When do you perform sa jazz band?
Not so much
Everyone.
anymore because everybody is parang getting married and
Yeah.
having kids and so na din kaya I had the room na din now to parang explore mas yung mga solo ko na Oo.
Pero
Ayan
during
na.
that time, hindi ka talaga nakagawa ng sarili mong kanta? Or kasi
Doon,
syempre,
I got to do
talaga-
more originals
Oo,
with the
for
band.
sure,
Mas
yeah.
collab. Kasi
Okay.
parang mas feeling, hindi ganun ka-exposed yung
Yeah.
feeling. Kasi
Mm-mm.
parang siya yung nagsulat or ako yung nag-tweak nung ganito, ganyan. Pero definitely mas lyricist ako na kesa sa yung chords or something. Kasi
Yes.
mas trip nila yung mga instrumentalists. Sila mas trip nila yung mga chords or yung mga music sa ganun.
Then
Ako
ikaw
mas
naman yung-
lyrics.
Yes.
Oo.
maririnig din namin yan in the future sa album.
Yeah, sure, it's
Yeah,
out
no?
already if you want. But again, like nobody really cares about jazz. Yeah, to be honest.
Nako,
Or it's
mga
medyo
kabal.
niche siya, oo.
Hindi,
Na
pero
to
sobrang relaxing
self-hate,
lang.
pero
Oo,
sa totoo lang, it's out. It's under extrapolation.
Yun,
You know,
no?
very jazz na pangalan. Google, spell.
Extrapolation.
Yes, oo.
Ayan, Extrapolation is the name of the band.
Yes, oo.
Extrapolation. Wow, that's a mouthful.
Oo, di ba? Parang we don't want to be found din
Yeah.
di ba?
Hindi ko nga alam yung
oo.
sabihin nun eh. Ano ba yung sabihin?
Oo, exactly. Hindi ko alam. It's like a math term. Parang it's a math na
Math
term. Hindi ako yung
extrapolation.
nag-name.
Ah,
Hindi ko nga
okay.
ma-spell minsan.
Pero,
Extrap.
ayun na nga, dito na tayo sa Reto na naman. So, ano ang story behind Reto na naman in your secret diary of your life?
Oo. I mean, it's lang din. I guess it's about somebody na parang medyo sawa na din na nirereto with their friends or so medyo torn siya about wanting to find love pero parang medyo nafa-fatigue na din with parang reto na naman, ganyan. Pero hopeful pa rin.
Parang sawa
ganun.
na siya na lagi siyang nirereto.
Yes, oo. Pero just out of wanting na mahanap mo na yung the one or a someone
Yeah.
or anybody, ganyan.
Para
Oo.
siyang may connection medyo sa Ako Na Lang, no?
Oo.
Para siyang sequel.
Same
Yes.
DNA.
Oo.
May ganun ka bang parang naisip na vision para sa songs na yun? Or wala?
Not so much, pero I think si Sir
Yeah.
Junji din kasi baka siya may parang kasi siya din yung nagsisend ng mga songs. So
Yes.
baka siya may na-envision siya na malawak din kasi yung mga topics na pinagsusulatan niya. So baka siya may sense siya na parang baka bagay to sa akin or something in terms of yung narrative alam nung tao na kinakanta ko. So yung parang yung continuation ba? Oo.
Na parang nag-aano na siya. This time, reto na naman. What's next?
Yeah, oo. Makami. Oo.
What is next for you po? Anong pwede nating abangan? Asahan in your future siguro songs na baka hindi pa nare-release or from extrapolation?
Yes, so hopefully more music under Star Music. I'm working with them now, and hopefully we work on some more singles. Still trying to figure out din kasi kung yung response sa single na to, if it's like a good parang response that people hear from it, or should we try new stuff, or mas exciting but to change it up or stick to yung sound ganyan. So we're also trying to see what people respond to, lalo na now, and I was gone for like a long time, so parang kung eto pa rin ba yung gusto ng tao from me, or do they want to see something new or different? So, let us know.
Ayan na mga ka-vibes. Reto na naman. Please invite nyo ang ating ka-vibes to stream it, and of course, i-request sa ating program, because we have everyday Banana Crew Daily Top 10 Countdown. So, this is parang yung mga top 10 hits na everyday pinaplay. Very competitive yung mga ka-vibes listeners. They always nagre-request sila ng mga special songs na makapasok sa countdown. Ayan. So, please invite.
Okay,
Ayan.
yes. Hello mga ka-vibes. Please listen to my new song, Reto na naman. It's out now on streaming and digital on Spotify.
Ayan, yung album.
Ayan.
Very beautiful.
Thank you. And you can find the music video sa ABS-CBN Star Music channel. Yes, you can watch the music video there.
And
with Sir Junji.
Of
He's
course,
there.
request din dito, mga ka-vibes.
Yes, you
Yun.
can request it and play it on your pag nagwo-workout kayo, nagluluto, naglalabada.
Yes!
alam mo na.
Kapag in love.
Yes, kapag heartbroken,
Pag
for
broken-hearted.
anything.
Ayan na, mga ka-vibes. So, Reto na naman by Zia Quizon. Maraming salamat. Thank you for
Salamat
being
din po.
here.
Thank you.